New announcement, new testing, dishwasher tablet. To see which one's the best, we went for the Morrison's lemon all-in-one dishwasher tablets. This is the new generation. We bought these from our local Morrison's. See? Right there. So the actions it comes with. Streak free inside action. Glass protection with familiar steel shine. And built-in salt action. Powerful cleaning action. Today we're testing the cry style. You'll see the dishwasher tablets when it comes to it. As for now, they're a secret video. Today we'll be washing these. Few cups, wine glasses, soup scooper, sharp knives, this whatever it is, more cups and bowls. That's my special bowl, I call it the spotty bowl. Some mugs, and a tea in a plastic cup right in the corner back there. And this is our new dishwasher freshener. Finish. Liquid. There, those are just this. Yeah, we'll close the door now. Now there's a few plates we're washing. 2 really large plates. One I had my meal on, which is this one right here. Cutlery. 1 cup. Another bowl. Here's another bowl, salad bowl, and then a strainer. Yeah, a strainer. Check the spray arms in a minute, as soon as this door shuts. That spins. Upper one. It also spins. Now, let's put one of these tablets in. Got to the 50 mark. So now that we've checked all the spray arms, switch it on. Always makes that noise. Now we do have finish. We have the finish quantum. You'll see them soon. We're going to move to the 65 normal. Right, so thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. And comment down on what you thought of this video. See ya in the next video.